Thank you for listening to my presentation today. I'm just going to talk a little bit about our volunteer program and how I think developing and utilizing volunteer job descriptions can enhance our volunteer program here at San Diego Botanic Garden. Currently, our organization does not post available volunteer positions that people can apply to. We more so have a general application that people can submit at any time, and we place them into categories of which they're interested, rather than having people apply to a specific position and have them fulfill a certain role and perform certain duties and tasks. However, I think we could make the switch to having positions, very specific positions that people can apply to and utilize their skills and specific interests that way to ensure that our volunteer program is efficient and effective. Volunteer job descriptions are useful and valuable tools that can be used by both the volunteer and volunteer managers throughout nonprofits. Volunteer job descriptions are important because they help recruit volunteers that will thrive in certain positions. It'll attract the right person if the duties, roles, and responsibilities are articulated properly. Position descriptions are kind of an agreement between an individual volunteer and whoever their supervisory staff member is. Position descriptions clarify duties and responsibilities as well as expectations so that a volunteer knows offhand exactly what's expected of them. They know that they're in the right position for them and that they can provide exceptional services to the nonprofit. And that in turn ensures that they have a positive experience. Volunteer job descriptions help volunteer recruitment efforts and the management of that volunteer in retaining him or her. Setting expectations with a job description should be job number one of any volunteer manager for the same reasons stated before. A successful volunteer job description should essentially give more information than one would receive in interview, giving detailed information as far as what the job would be, how their work and what they're trying to achieve fits in with the overall mission of the organization. It would offer a list of all of the tasks so that the volunteer can look at it and say, yes, I have those skills. This is something that I could do successfully. This is a way that I can help this organization. These are all tasks that I'm capable of doing and going above and beyond in. They provide a basis of measuring activity and performance so that there's something to refer back to ensure that a volunteer is meeting expectations and following the guidelines of the description, which is used as an agreement between the volunteer and the organization. Essentially, clarity is what is gained by using job descriptions versus general applications for volunteering. The clear expectations in training is something that's valued by volunteers and also makes managing volunteers a lot easier for volunteer coordinators within organizations. Thank you for listening, and I hope that you will consider my proposed changes for our volunteer program.